The next two features that I would like to show you are here under keyboard preferences, and I think any of you out there who have to type the same kinds of things over and over again are really going to like this feature. If you click on the second tab that you see here at the top, this is a feature called text replacement, where you can make it so that with just a couple of keystrokes, you can have your computer replace those couple of keystrokes with whatever you want. Let me give you an example of how I use this. One of the things I constantly have to give to people are directions to my home. So here's an example of how I use this feature to cut down a lot of time. So I'm going to just open up a notepad, okay, and type out fake directions to my home. Okay. Now, when you have those directions or whatever it is you're going to be doing written, you're going to now select it and copy it. So for those of you out there who don't know kind of the basics of copy and paste, all of these things are included in the PDF guide that you'll find on my website. For now, I'm just going to highlight all of this text and hit Command-C on my keyboard so that it is copied to the clipboard. So now in here, I'm going to create a word so that when I type it, it's going to replace that word with those driving directions. So let's hit the plus symbol here at the bottom left. And now I'm going to make it so that anytime I type in the word Addy, and again, whenever you're creating this word, you want to make sure it's a combination of letters that you're not commonly type. So now I'm going to click over into this field, and now I'm going to paste. And the hotkey for paste is Command and the letter V as in Victor. So now to show you that that works, I am now going to just open up a blank email message, and here in the field where I would type my letter, I'm just going to type those letters. You'll see that when I hit the last letter, it starts to give me a little preview. From there, if I hit the space bar on my keyboard, you can see it replaces that phrase that we just created. And you can use that feature in any app on your Mac. You can use it in the Mail program, in Word, Pages, whatever you want.